Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I have a small Temu order that, well, technically it's from my medium-sized order. I just grabbed a whole bunch of them from the bag, so I kind of want to show them to y'all. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So today, as I said, I just grabbed the package of the medium-sized order I got from Temu, and I just grabbed 3 random paintings, looked out that they kind of go together. They're flowers. Well, not all of them, sort of. They're kind of yellow. You'll see it in a moment. So my first one, of course, is sunflowers. I love sunflowers. I really do. I kind of, where I live, it grow in what's in season. They grow everywhere. So I kind of grew up with sunflowers. I have no problems at all with them. I love them. Especially when they get really big, really yellow, really pretty. Really happy whenever you look at a sunflower. So you would just open the painting, and inside you would see a standard kit and the diamonds. So just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is have the pen, press into the wax, press it into the diamonds after you pour them into the tray, press them onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, in case you lose it or it breaks, trust me, your next painting is going to have one as well. And these are the diamonds. Oh, look at that. So I think we're just going to start getting Ziploc bags, even the small ones. This is a 20 by 20. Usually they're in little packets that you have to cut, but these are all kitted up, meaning they're all in Ziploc bags. As you can see, they're all numerical order. And you can see, well, I think it's, oh, well, let me flip it. I was wondering, oh, now you can't see the colors. There you can. You got to flip it, and voila. Really nice earthy tones. Love the bright yellows and the oranges. Little random soft pink. I really like this one. Maybe I should try working out of Ziploc bags one more time. But this is such a small painting, I don't think it'll be an issue. I'll think about that when I decide on what to do with this one. I really love this. I love that they did this. It's real interesting. Like I said, it really helps all of us out. A lot less trash you'd have to worry about. Because you can't reuse the little bags. They're usually a really sturdy plastic. So I really like that. And this is the painting. Like I said, there's sunflowers, y'all. It's a little kind of basket or a bucket or a pot. I can't tell. It kind of looks like it a bit. It looks like a steel kind of container that's holding all of the sunflowers. And yeah, that's what it looks like to me. And there's butterflies as well. Sorry, I'm just fixing the plastic just to take care of some of the creases, because this painting's a little more creased up than my usual ones. I think it's probably at the bottom of the bag. This poor little painting. As you can see, there's sunflowers with some wonderful yellow butterflies. Can't tell. We'll just say canister. We'll call it that. Nice little white background, which isn't too bad because there's actually little sporadic little bursts of color everywhere, and it's on the ground. I really love this painting. And some information about the painting: it is a 2010 and is a 20 by 20. It is 15 colors, and fortunately it's all in capital letters. Thank goodness. No numbers, no symbols, nothing being sneaky for me on the painting. I really do like this one. It's really earthy tone, really fall. I think I might kit this one up. Or actually try doing the whole Ziploc bag thing. I need more fall paintings on my wall. I think I might do this one. That, and I'm curious how it'll come out, because the sunflowers are a little detailed. They actually have specific spots of different color. I wonder if the little bit of color confetti that's in the painting might cause the painting to pop. The butterflies have it too. The drip build is really nice, as you can probably see. I'm going to get a little closer. The dark areas where the sunflower is, they're a white tone for the lettering. For the brighter, as the yellow, for example, has a darker tone, makes it easier to spot. This drip field is really, really impressive. I really like it. And just in case, the stick is never wrong. As you can see, I have no problems with these little 20 by 20 20 by 20 paintings. They always work out for me. I never have a problem. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. A nice little container of sunflowers is your style as well. I really can't figure out. I think it might be a little pot. It kind of looks like a little pot. And sorry about that. I need to kind of move everything off of my table. And my next one, as much as I love sunflowers, I love cherry blossoms as well. This one was actually recommended for me by TEMU when I was putting my order together. And it does. Anytime you order, they'll do a recommendation for you, especially if it kind of catches, oh, she's always buying diamond paintings with flowers, for example. So I'll recommend, you know, paintings with flowers, because the majority of the time it's going to end up in my carton. And same thing, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, I really love that little nice soft pastel purple. The dark violet. I really love these colors. Oh, there's another dark violet. As you can see here, there's kind of really, really dark reds. If I can get that a little closer for y'all so you can see a little clearly. Oh, I really like that. Apologies for the glare. I didn't notice the ring light was really, really close. A whole bunch of white. I think that might be the background. Oh, I really love that red. And this is the painting. It's a nice little cherry blossom tree with a white background. Super simple, super clean. Sorry, I love that song. And just really, really easy to work with. I'm noticing that the background is not just white. And that's what I'm noticing by the drill field. They're all not the same, just letter. They're little kind of sporadic of different kind of symbols or letters that are in the painting. Oh, this painting's a little tough to pick up the plastic. I'm just fixing it as well to fix the creases. That's interesting. It does have little random lettering in it. Curious what kind of tone it might do for the background. I assumed it was all white, but it might not be. I think it's just little random spouts of color that they might kind of change it up a bit. I'm interested in that. And some information about the painting. It is W198. It's a 20 by 20. It is 14 colors. And it is all in alphabetical letters. Capitalized letters. Why do I keep saying alphabetical? Capital letters. Thank goodness. No numbers, no symbols. Everything's easy peasy. So you can see, yeah, it's interesting. It's just kind of little random spots. The majority of the background is the white color. A lovely 3065. But I don't... I am curious how this will work up. And especially, I love the pink of the tree. It's so pretty, real simple. And that's why I said I really love this painting. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little bit better. It may be a nice little random cherry tree. Here's our style as well. And for my final painting, as much as I love flowers, as much as I love cherry blossoms, I love fruit. Not just to eat it, because I do love eating fruit. I love paintings of fruit. I've had an oranges. I've had a watermelon one. I've had a strawberry one. I've had a bunch of different paintings. Interesting is, I've never had a really big picture of one, but that's because I can't really find one of just a random, you know, orange slice. I kind of like that as, I kind of want that as a diamond painting, but I have not found one yet. I'll keep looking. I'm sure there's got to be one around somewhere on TEMU. My random orange slice. Same thing, standard kit, as I said. They always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, really, really, really earthy tone. Huh, wasn't expecting a lot of browns on this one. And the random little yellows, the little oranges. That really, really burnt orange. I like that color. I love all the colors in this one. It's really kind of earth tone, and I love that. And this is such a really good fall kind of palette. I really like that. Huh, maybe this one I'll kit up. And this is the painting. The whole little basket of lemons. When I first saw this one, I thought it was so cute. They're just little random lemons with their flowers. Because lemons grow out of a flower, I believe. And they're so cute. And I when I saw it, I knew I had to pick it up. And I believe this one, yeah, all of these I got them on a lightning deal on TEMU. So they're pretty much almost $1 something. And I'll make sure to put the pricing of all the paintings here on the corner. You'll see it appear whenever I first show the painting. I started doing that just so on record, if anybody want to reference back. Oh, you know what? I love that painting with the lemons. How much was it again? It'll be forever on the internet because I'll have the price on it. That, and to be honest, I kind of forget to check before I record, so that's our secret. So some information about the painting. It is DQ 049 and it's a 20 by 20 and it is 15 colors. And it is all capital letters. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Seeing it in person, it is. It's really, really cute. And it's really clear. And the lemons, the basket, even the background is really detailed. Huh, this little 20 by 20 is really clear for me. I don't know why. Usually I can tell when, the painting might be a little muddled, but this one actually looks really clear. I kind of want to make a basket of lemons. But then I want to make a container of sunflowers. I'll keep you all posted on whichever one I select, and if I do kit up, I'll make sure to do a video for it. I just really like it. It's so cute. And it'll actually look nice in my kitchen now that I think about it. Ooh, this one's winning me over. I'll let y'all know. Sorry about that. And I'll make sure to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case a nice little basket of lemons is your style as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I'm going to try to kind of do like a grab bag thing for my package because there are a lot of paintings in there. And there is one painting, I don't know what it looks like. I selected a mystery painting because it was an option that they had it on the lightning deal. I've never done any mystery paintings, so I am curious what it's going to look like. The only reason I know none of these three are a mystery painting is because I kind of remember in my memory, oh, I ordered lemon sunflowers and the tree. I haven't seen one I haven't recognized, so ooh, stay tuned. The next video I'll do, who knows, maybe it might be the mystery painting. I don't even know. And you will see a couple more videos of some PR packages I just received, so stay tuned for that as well. I love a lot of the paintings I picked. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if we can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel to be put out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.